This conference will now be recorded.
So this session I am going to discuss how to create a virtual machine in AWS Cloud using EC2 instance. So the steps are, first we have to create the AWS free account, and then we have to log into the AWS console, and then we can create the instance. So I am going to show the steps. So we can search for AWS free account. We can see that we will get a option for free account. So it asks for creating AWS free account. So we have to click on free account and we have to complete this. So then after that, we have to search for the console AWS. After we have to creating account, we have to create AWS console. So it will get a link for logging to the AWS console, and we can log into the AWS console, and we have to log in. When we log in, we will get a console like this. AWS console we will get, and we have to go to all services. First, we have to click on all services, compute EC2. We have to click on EC2. EC2 means a virtual server we are creating in the cloud. And first, I need a key pair is required. So I need some key for logging to the system. So I am giving key pair. So I am creating a key pair. So the key name I am giving Linux 1234. So I'm creating a key pair and I'm downloading it. Creating a key pair, it will download. So we can see that key is downloaded here in the left bottom. Now I can go to EC2 dashboard. In the left, I have to click on EC2 dashboard, and down I have option for launch instance. Clicking on launch instance. So it will ask for what operating system. We need Amazon Linux or Red Hat Linux. We can select. So I'm selecting Amazon Linux, selecting next. It will ask for how much the memory and CPU. Everything I am giving next. So right directly, this is step 2. I can directly give review and launch. So after that, I have to click on launch. So it will ask for the key pair. So we have to give the key pair. So currently I created one key. So the key I have to select here. So the Linux 1234, that is the key I selected. And I am acknowledging and launching an instance. And we can see the instance ID will come. So we have to click on instance ID. And this, we can give a name here. If you want, we can type a name here, Linux 1. So main information we need is the IP address. So we can see the IP address is showing here. So we can copy the IP address and we can log into the server. To log into the server, we need a client software. So I am going to download a software called Putty software I am downloading. It is a client for logging to the server, Linux server. We are clicking here. It is a SSH client. So I am downloading it, and 64-bit version I am downloading. After that, I have to install this client software. I have to start the installation. So in the download folder, the Putty software will be there. So I have to download and install it. So we have to give everything next and complete it. So it is completed now. So now I want to open the Putty software. We can go in the start menu and search for Putty. So we can see the Putty software. We can start the Putty application to connect to the Linux server. So the IP address we have to paste here. So we got the IP address. Now we have to give a key pair we have to give, because we are not using password. So for in place of password, we are giving a key. We have to click on connection, SSH, auth, and we have to browse. And in the download folder, the key is there, and I'm selecting the key. So this is a PPK key we are using, and giving open, and we have to click on yes. So I'm changing the font size, right clicking here and change settings. So appearance, I'm clicking on change. So I am changing the font size to 16. Apply. OK. So now the username is EC2-user. So the default username is EC2-user. We can see I already logged in to this Linux server. So we can log in as root user by sudo su-. We can log in as root user. So these are all the basic steps for creating a EC2 instance in Linux. Thanks for watching.